We're in 100% totality at the moment. We're going to go see what the chickens are doing. And all around, this is beautiful.
Temperature's still 70.
It's cool. I have goosebumps right now. But all around, it looks like sunrise, sunset. Where's my chickens? They don't know what's going on. They are heading to the coop, I believe. What's going on, girls? It got dark, didn't it? Hurry. Come on. Come on, chickies. Here they all come. Here they all come. Yep, it's dark. You better get back up there for a minute. Good girls. You know, don't ya? What's happening? Man, this all around, every 360 degrees is like sunrise, sunset-ish. Never seen anything like this. Girls, you're supposed to be going up. I'm not bringing you treats. Goosebumps right now. This is the front. Let me help you, Dad. It's alright, hold on.